Well, welcome into the kitchen. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. If you're new, I'm so glad you're here. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss a video. Leave me some comments. Give me thumbs up on my videos. Y'all would never believe how much it truly helps when you do those three little things. It just really, really helps a whole lot. So, with that out of the way, if you're new, welcome in. If you've been here before, welcome back. I've got a lot of new subscribers, and I'm so glad you decided to join us. It's summertime, finally. We've had a really cool spring, and I know it's not being real hot, but it's starting to warm up, so that means summertime desserts. And today I want to make a summertime no-bake pie. We're going to do a creamsicle pie. If y'all remember what a creamsicle is, it's the vanilla ice cream dipped in the orange sherbet on a stick way back in the day. I don't even know if you can still buy them or not, but that orange and vanilla flavor, they just play so well together. So that's what this is. It's just an orange creamsicle pie, frozen. We're going to freeze it because it's summertime. We want stuff cold. So let's get started. You want to? And for it, we need 8 ounces of cream cheese. And y'all know I buy that humongous block. And I have to cut that off. We need heavy whipping cream, 1½ cups. We need a can of sweetened condensed milk. This is not evaporated, it's condensed. So don't get those two confused. We need a ½ cup of cream soda, any brand will do. And we need orange zest, and I don't have a fresh orange, so I'm using the dried. And we need a 3-ounce box of orange Jell-O and a 9-inch pie crust. Make your own pie crust. I've done it before. You all have seen me make pie crust, traditional and graham cracker crust before, but I'm cheating today. We're using a ready-made crust, okay? So this will truly be quick and easy. All right, first of all, we've got to get our cream cheese. I've had it sitting out a few minutes to soften. I got to cut us off a chunk of it here. We need 8 ounces of cream cheese. It's about half of what I've got here on this block. I'm going to pull y'all over here so you can see the mixer. I'm going to turn y'all down because I don't believe you can see it too good. Let me give you a tilt. How's that? Is that better? Can y'all see better in there now? Let me get the stuff fall out on my head here. Alright, here we go. Let's just start that to beating a little bit and get it going creamy. We want that to cream, okay? And then we're going to add to it after it creams up good. I'm going to turn it up on high so it can really get to creaming. All right, that's doing pretty good there. Now then, we're going to add into this whole can. I think it's 14. What does it say? 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to pull this up here. And we're going to beat this together good. All right, there's our milk and our cream cheese. And we want to get this incorporated really well because we don't want chunks of cream cheese. So we're going to let this beat for a few minutes. Oh, it's coming together nicely, you all. Smoothing right out there. All right, now then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. There's 1, and there's 2. All right, there's our vanilla. Well, that put a lid. It flew around somewhere. Lord, it stuck to me. All right, there's our vanilla. Got that to going good. And let's add our zest. We need a tablespoon. This is a half a tablespoon, so I'll add in a couple of these. Y'all, fresh orange zest would be better in this. If you have it, it would be a lot better. But we don't have it, so we're going with that, what we got. Okay, and you can leave out the orange zest altogether. You don't have to put it in there. So it's just up to you. Want that to mix good. All right, now I'm going to taste it. I'll taste it. Yum. Yum, yum. All right, now then we're going to add a half a cup of cream soda. Add it right in here. Half a cup. There we go. Added that. Ooh. Okay. And we're going to add our box of Jell-O. This is just a small 3-ounce box of Jell-O, orange. Y'all can make this any flavor. I just like the orange creamsicle. All right. All right, now then, we got that mixed up. Now then, we are going to, I'm going to get out this other bowl because we're going to whip our cream in it. Y'all can use Cool Whip in this, I suppose. I never have because I'm not a fan of Cool Whip. A lot of people are. A lot of people like Cool Whip. But I'm not a huge Cool Whip fan. So, okay. We'll set this over here out of the way. And now then, we're going to whip. It says 1½ cups. That doesn't smell good. I'm going to grab this other one. Might be a little fresher. Let's use this one. That one didn't smell quite right. Oh, this one's better. All right. Okay. That's a little more than 1½ about 1 3/4 cups. That's all right. It'll just make it a little creamier. All right, we're going to whip this cream up. Then we're going to fold the two together. Turn it on up. This is why you need 2 bowls for your mixer. Or why I need 2 bowls anyway. Because I like to do everything with my mixer. turn it up on high and see what she does. She'll be done here in just a minute. And then we're going to put this into that. Look at that. How quick was that, y'all? Look how pretty that is. All right, now then, I'm going to start adding this in. Just a little bit at a time. Just on slow. Can y'all see what I'm doing? You may not be able to. All right. There we go. I'm going to taste this. Tastes so good. I'm going to turn it back up on high and let it whip till it gets good and stiff. And I believe we're about there. Now look at that. See how pretty that's just hanging on that whisk? It's just all nice and stiff and whipped up airy. And we may get 2 pies out of this, y'all. If we do, we'll have one in the freezer, won't we? Y'all know that when you buy your pie crust, it comes with this kind of lid. You know, it's always turned down in there, that paper on it. Take that paper off. And pull that little bit of whatever that stuff is, sticky stuff, and it makes you a lid. You didn't know that, now you do. All right. Alrighty. Now then, we're going to put this in this pie crust, right like this. I believe one's all we're going to get, because I got a 10-inch crust, actually, y'all. It's not a 9, it's a 10. If y'all want to be gluten-free, I know some of you all out there are gluten-free, you can get or make a pie crust out of nuts. Make you a pecan pie crust or an almond pie crust. Either one would be just perfect for this. And then you've got a gluten-free pie, which I do have a pecan crust, but it's not quite as big. So, well, there's our pie, you all. It'll freeze, and when you get it out, it'll taste like a creamsicle. And I hope I don't forget to show you all what it looks like when I get it out of the freezer after a while to eat for dinner tonight. But it'll freeze for, 5 or 6 hours. And then we'll cut it and have it for dessert, okay? That'll be, I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all bye, because I might forget, just have to add a picture like I did before. But that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.